Hey, what's going on, guys? Hey, let's talk about fire suppression, fire extinguishers. Everybody that's racing their cars, you've got to have a fire extinguisher in your car. It's $50 to save your $100,000 investment from just a quick fire. But if you get a fuel leak and you're really on fire, guys, it's $1,000 to save your investment, and you have a fire suppression. So basically, we've got it teed right there, and one goes onto my feet, and then the handle to pull it is just right there by my leg. Pull the safety, pull it up. So then it's this easy, guys. You just run the line, okay? And then I've got it teed right there. I'll show you the drill bit, and you just remove the dash, pull the line, put the fitting on, and then put it through your dash. And this is the only thing you need is this. You need a drill with a 2-foot long drill bit on it. You'll need your pipe cutter. Very simple, very handy. And then you need to put the connector on the end of every piece of pipe that you have, because that's all this is, just a little 1/4-inch aluminum pipe. And you'll just put the fittings on there. So you just find a spot, drill through your firewall into your dash, right where nothing's there, push the line all the way through. It's very simple, very easy. And then you connect everything up, and there you go. So once I pull the handle on the fire suppression, it just shoots Novak all the way through my engine bay, and it'll put out oil, fuel fires, and also it'll help me get out of the car, save me some time, and I can get out. So guys, fire suppression, if you race, it's a must for every car, and it's so simple, you can do it yourself.